Hey guys, how to hide Instagram following and followers list. Bad news first, you can't hide them completely. And as I said, privacy, never heard of her. But here's what you can do. Option A, make your account private. Hit your profile icon at the bottom right, hit the three bars at the top right, okay? And then find the account privacy and just turn on private account. Okay. Option B, restrict specific people. This limits what they can see, but doesn't hide follower lists, right? So if you want to go to this account example, hit the three dots at the top right and press restrict. Okay. Option C, block the person. Okay. Brutal but effective. Block equals they see nothing but their tears. Just hit the three dots at the top right to the account in question, hit block, and double click to confirm that you want to block this account. All right. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.